everyone, it's Mimi here. Today we're diving into some wild news that might just change the way we interact with robots forever. Google DeepMind has unveiled two groundbreaking AI models, Gemini Robotics and Gemini Robotics ER. And trust me, this isn't your ordinary tech upgrade. Picture this, robots that understand spoken instructions and can flexibly respond to their environment. These models give robots a whole new set of instincts to act in real time, making them smarter and more capable than ever before. Imagine telling a robot to fold an origami crane or pack a snack, and it just gets it done, no complicated programming needed. But it gets even cooler. Gemini Robotics ER takes it a step further with advanced spatial reasoning. It can analyze objects, figure out their positions, and craft a plan to pick them up. Think of it as giving robots not just the muscle, but also the brain to operate in real-world scenarios. This isn't just theory either. Google put these models to the test, and guess what? They outperformed previous models by over 100%. They're designed to adapt on the fly, so if someone moves an object when the robot is supposed to grab it, no problem. The robot recalibrates and continues as if nothing happened. And here's the kicker. This tech is being backed by serious players in the industry, with partnerships that hint at humanoid robots hitting our homes soon. They're not just setting up robots to do boring tasks. They're building a future where these smart machines are genuinely helpful and easy to work with. So, if you're just as excited as I am about the future of robotics, make sure to keep an eye on these innovations. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Check out ExactAgent to create your own AI and participate in the Exact ecosystem. Link in the description. Catch you next time.